In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Porto, that's Multipurpose and WooCommerce theme. Now, after purchasing this script, you just go straight to your WordPress dashboard, and you can also call me to help you and purchase it anyhow you want. So then, to your WordPress dashboard. Next, I go to my appearance. I click on my appearance. So this is the present theme that is there. That's why it is written customize. As you can see, these ones are not. So then next, I go to add new theme. I click on upload theme. Click on choose file. Then next, I select the folder I want to select. Till I select the theme, I will select theme files. Here is the theme, I select it, and then I click on open. Next, I click on install now. Please like, share and subscribe to my channels. And if you want to customize your theme, I will use the link in the engagement link to engage me to help you and customize the theme. So, and if you want to design your website or using WordPress, I can help you and use the engagement link to engage me to help you and design it. Next, I click on activate. Now I've successfully uploaded my theme. So let me go to my site. Right click, open link in a new tab. I want it to be so I can be looking at both of them. That's why I open it in a new tab. Okay. So this is the theme. I can now customize from here. So you can use the engagement link to help you and customize your theme after installing it, or to upload it, to help you upload it. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. Also use the engagement link to engage me to help you customize the script or the theme. We are all even and your website generally. I use the engagement link, and look at the engagement link below to see other things we are doing.